So I'm the Deputy Division Commander for the Mississippi Valley Division, one of 9 divisions throughout the Corps of Engineers. The Mississippi Valley Division really manages the Mississippi River from the Canadian border down to the Gulf of Mexico through 6 district offices commanded by colonels. Well, just number one, what's our role as the Army Corps of Engineers to maintain the inland waterways and how important that is to our country, really for national security, and we understand the importance it means to them to be able to move goods and commodities to market for both import and export. And also some of the things more specifically in their area that we are working on either this year or in the next couple of out years. And what does that mean for them as far as waterway closures or funding or things of that nature. So really from a strategic perspective all the way down to tactical and what it means to them specifically. But when you look at the aging, and specifically this talks about the aging locks and dams on our inland waterways, some that are 60% of those locks and dams are over their 50-year life cycle. And so we've been repairing them along the way, but a lot of them haven't had a major rehabilitation. So really, I think I would agree with that grade when we talk about our aging locks and dams, and those are critical because many of them are just single locks. And so when they go down, it really shuts down traffic on that particular waterway. And so I think I would agree with it when it's specifically talking about our lock and dam infrastructure. We prioritize funding for which locks get the major rehabilitation. So we look at those that get the most usage, have gone the longest without a major rehab, and we said we prioritize those up front and then work to get the funding for those. And we try to consolidate when we can, like we're doing on the Illinois waterway in 2020. If we've got to shut one down that's going to shut the whole waterway, then why not get funding to fix 6 in a row, and then those are done for some length of time, and then we can focus on another section of waterway. So part of it is just the efficiency instead of just kind of reacting to those that need fixing is look at the inspections up and down the rivers and prioritize and try to cluster those that we can do all at one time. What I told the group today is we appreciate the help of all the coalitions that are out there telling the story of what they need, and I think that helps the leaders of our country really prioritize where the money needs to go, and then they turn around and look to us to say, hey, get the work done to help them. So it's a true partnership, and so that's why we love to come and talk and kind of make sure we're all on the same sheet of music, so to speak.